An inequality is any mathematical sentence that contains a greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to symbol instead of an equal symbol. Solving an inequality is done by isolating the variable on one side of the inequality. In order to solve inequalities, there are a few rules that you have to remember. Some properties applied to an equation will behave differently when applied to an inequality. Properties that work the same on inequalities and on equations with equals signs include adding to or subtracting from both sides of an equation, simplifying, and multiplying or dividing by a positive number. Properties such as multiplying or dividing by a negative number require you to reverse the direction of the inequality symbol. This means that greater than becomes less than becomes greater than or equal to becomes less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to. Let's try a problem. 8x minus 4 is greater than 10 plus 6 times 3. Start by simplifying the right side of the inequality. 6 times 3 equals 18. 10 plus 18 equals 28. Without reversing the direction of the inequality, you can add 4 to both sides. This results in 28 plus 4 equals 32. Lastly, divide both sides by 8, and since it is a positive number, you do not need to reverse the inequality. Your answer is x is greater than 4. This means that any number greater than 4, such as 5, 6, or 7, will make the inequality true. Now for an example that is a little more complex. Negative 2x plus 14 is greater than 4x minus 2 plus 2x. First, we need to combine like terms on the right side of the inequality. 4x and 2x simplify to 6x. Subtract 14 from both sides of the inequality. Simplify the right side. Negative 2 and negative 14 equals negative 16. Now, to isolate the variable, subtract 6x from both sides of the inequality. This leaves us with negative 8x on the left and negative 16 on the right. Divide both sides by negative 8. Remember to reverse your inequality sign. The final solution is x is less than 2. This means that any number less than 2, such as 0, negative 1, or negative 10, will make the inequality true. Now you should be an expert at solving inequalities. Try some on your own.